Okay, what is the BINSR form? The BINSR acronym stands for Buyer Inspection Notice and Seller's Response. This is the form used to convey your desired repairs, not necessarily cosmetic items, to the seller once the home inspection is completed and we've reviewed the inspection report. Okay? It's not intended to address cosmetic items, paint, things of that nature. But here's where we'll be addressing the more serious issues. And think of plumbing, electrical, roof, things of that nature, pests, insulation, appliances, things of that nature, okay? So, and I've seen a few super clean inspection reports, and so that option exists on this form to accept the property as it is, without repairs, okay? And if we're in a scenario where there is a backup offer or multiple offers, they had multiple offers and we prevailed at that stage of the game, and now we're crossing this bridge, preparing the BINSR to send over to the seller's agent, things to keep in mind, okay? Because if we upset them, offend them, ask for a bunch of cosmetic things, they might just say, you know what, we're not fixing anything, wanting us to cancel the transaction so they can go to their backup offer. Just be wary, because those are things that can truly happen. And there's another option. If the roof is shot, the foundation is crumbling underneath the home, you know what, let's cancel that transaction, get you your earnest money back. All right? That option exists also. Once the BINSR form has been sent to the sellers, we cannot add anything else to that list. We're done, okay? We get one chance at the BINSR form. And after we send that over to them, so today, here, as I'm recording this video, it's Tuesday. Okay, let's say we sent the BINSR form over to them today, on Tuesday. The 5 full days start counting tomorrow, Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They would have to respond to our request no later than end of day on Sunday. Okay? And those responses could be, okay, we'll fix everything, we're not fixing anything, or we will fix items 1, 2, and 5, but we're not going to fix 3 and 4. Okay? And it's at that point where you now have 5 full days of your own to either accept the seller's response or to cancel the transaction and get all of your earnest money back. This is what I call the second phase of negotiations. Okay? And I also want you to know we've also been very successful in getting our buyer clients a credit at closing, so that you can order the repairs from whom you choose. You get to oversee those repairs yourselves and make sure that they are completed to your satisfaction. Those are not bad things. Those are very good things for you in this scenario. And so I will oftentimes recommend that we get a credit from the seller. It doesn't slow down the process. They don't have that lingering over them that they've got all these repairs to do, when they can give you a credit. Sometimes we'll need to get some estimates and whatnot to validate or justify the credit with the seller, but that is another option. Okay? Hope you found this of value. Talk to you soon.